Yeah. Let's go in the light. I cannot see you.
You see it open its mouth there? Now this is an olive python.
Oh.
This is an absolutely beautiful sized snake. It's the power you can feel in this guy as he worms his way through my hands.
Yeah, and wants to attack me.
He doesn't particularly want to attack you.
It's not happy either.
Oh, he's just not sure.
You fucker, you can see this. You gotta let him closer.
I want him to strike at you.
Yeah, you just don't like make him strike too close.
That's alright, still got to hold. You can just wave the camera around a little bit, or wave your hands actually around. Yeah, that's it, in front of it. Right. You'll see, pick up that movement. You can see he's getting ready for a little bit of a strike. Come on, fella. You can do it.
Fuck.
Getting ready. Getting ready. Getting ready. Still got it, mate. Don't worry.
Yeah, no, I mean, the camera was falling off my head.
That's a classic S. Come on. You can do it. Don't move. I've still got it. Can't get you.
He gets me, man. I kill you. He's getting me now. He can't get me now. If he wants, he gets me.
Get you.
He can. Look at him. It's easily. Grab me easily. You shithead. He just look.